Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a portfolio in Wix. We'll walk through a simple, clear path to get your portfolio up and running fast, using Wix's built-in tools, so you don't have to start from a blank page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick a strong foundation and customize it into something that reflects your work and personality. First, head to your Wix dashboard and click on Create New Site. This opens the setup flow, where Wix asks how you want to begin. You can absolutely start from scratch if you prefer full control, but I recommend choosing a template. Templates give you a polished structure out of the box, with pages, layout, and sections designed specifically for showcasing projects. Next, in the template browser, find and open the Portfolio tab. This filters the library to options tailored for creatives, freelancers, photographers, and designers. Take a moment to browse. You'll see various aesthetics, like minimal, bold, grid-based, and editorial styles. Look for layouts that highlight visuals clearly and make it easy to scan project titles and descriptions. Hover over any template to reveal the View button and open a full preview. This is your chance to explore how the homepage flows, how project pages are laid out, and how the navigation feels. If the structure fits your needs, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor and begin making it your own. Inside the editor, start replacing content section by section. Swap in your name or brand, update the headline to communicate what you do, replace placeholder images with high-quality visuals of your work, adjust colors and fonts to align with your style, revise project titles, and add short descriptions that explain your role and tools used. If your template includes about and contact sections, personalize your bio and make sure your contact methods are clear. Use drag and drop tools to rearrange elements and hide sections you don't need. Check the mobile view to ensure everything looks great on smaller screens. That's how you make a portfolio in Wix. Thanks for watching.